Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be styling this wig from start to finish. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is QVR Queen Virgin Remy. What I have installed is an 18-inch 13x4 HD pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut glueless wig. This is in the frontal style.
How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. If you
I put the wig on and I cut the lace, and then I sprayed this spray by Evan.
show me. Yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need my help and I thought I needed. I can see it. Need my
I'm gonna just spray some on the back of my hand, go in with my tail comb. What happened was I thought I was recording, but I was not, and I didn't double check. You guys didn't miss anything. All we did was we put the lace on, wig on, and then cut the lace off, and I sprayed some of that melt spray. We didn't use glue today, just lace melt spray. I'm also gonna go in with the OG Evan, which is the black can. Basically what I'm doing now is filling any of the grids that I see are still visible. That means that there is no product there and it needs more product, because once you put the melt spray on an HD lace, those grids are supposed to appear invisible.
feeling. More believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should.
It's pretty much dried, so now we're gonna put on the melt band.
Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should.
Okay, and that's what we're looking like. A glueless install. That took no time because the wig fits really well, guys. When you put on the wig, it just holds in place, so you don't have to do anything special to the lace, which I really like.
Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah.
I'm gonna pluck some of that hair out. It's too much for my baby hairs. See, that's about 50% enough. So when it comes to baby hairs, you just kind of have to figure out what you want for you. If you're someone that likes a lot of baby hairs, or you like them more spread out, you just have to play around with it. Eventually you'll kind of start to realize like what you like. You'll just continue to kind of do what you like. So I don't like them all throughout the side of my face. I kind of like them mostly towards my eyebrows, and I do like some space in the middle, and I don't like them too full. Curling under, you're very liable to burn yourself. So that was the first cut. Now we're gonna cut it again. We're gonna position it and then cut it again. And I'm gonna go in with the same spray. I find with baby hairs, the best place to start working is this side. It's so much better if you get this side positioned first. You can literally just put the tiniest bit of product on this portion here, and it will just look more natural.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head. right how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified, what they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things
Comb through it.
Even good things leave a bitter.
So the last thing we'll do is define the parts, and for that I'm gonna go in with some scalp-like colors. This is just gonna set the look off. This wig does come with the knots bleached already. Now I have to seal it in.
Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that
There we have it. This is the final look. What do we think?
you're gonna think about this for a while.
The only thing that I did to style it was curl the wig with the curling wand. And this is how it turned out. I did clean up the part and it looks really cute. It's giving a long bob and it actually turned out really cute. The hair does feel relatively soft. The texture of this feels more coarse, and it is a body wave style. It makes sense because I know that these curls are gonna hold all day. Great Gatsby. Yeah, that's the vibe I'm getting from this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. I'll catch you later in another video. Bye.